Hi, this session is for class 7, subject mathematics, and the chapter linear equations. Topics covered are solving linear equations, methods of solving linear equations in one variables. The methods are trial and error method, balancing method. Before going to the topic, you must know the definition of a linear equation. A linear equation is a shorthand way of stating that two expressions are equal. Students, look at this picture. If the weight on both the arms of this balancing machine is equal, then only it stands right. Likewise, in the equation, if both the left hand side and right hand sides are equal, then only it states as the equation. Okay, let us see the definition for a equation. An equation is a mathematical statement that equates two expressions. Okay, condition for a equations are variables and constants are related to equal to sign. Okay, there should be variable and constant and they are related to equal to sign. You know very well about variable, constant, coefficient as you have studied these all in your previous session. Then the second condition, an equation of degree 1 is called linear equation. An equation of degree 1 is called linear equation. Let us see some example. X minus 2 equal to 7. Here what is the degree of the equation? X has its power 1. When the variable has its power 1 in a equation, then it is called as linear equation. Okay. Another example. Y plus 5 equal to 2y minus 3. Here also the degree of the equation is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation. And another thing what you have to see is here the side which is on the left hand side of the equal to symbol is called LHS and the side which is to the right of equal to symbol is called RHS. In short, we call it as LHS, RHS. So, in an equation, there should be LHS and also RHS and a variable constant. Okay, then only we call it as a equation. P by 5 equal to 13. Here also, we have equal to symbol, a constant and a variable, right? Therefore, these are the example of an equation. Solving linear equation. Definition is the numerical value of a variable that satisfies the equation. When you are substituting a particular value which satisfies the equation, which means on substituting a value, we get equal value on both LHS and RHS, which equates LHS equal to RHS means then it is called solving linear equation. That method is called solving linear equation. Solution or root of the equation. The particular value of the variable, which is nothing but the particular value which equates both LHS and RHS is called solution or root of the equation. For example, on throwing two dice, you got 5 in one dice and you don't know the value of the second dice. Okay, but the total is equal to 8. How can you find the value on the second dice? That is called solving linear equation and the value you got is called the solution or root of the equation. Let us see an example. X plus 5 equal to 8. This is the explanation what I told you on throwing 2 dice. You know the variable 5 on throwing 2 dice, that is one dice has 5, and you don't know the value on the other dice which is written as x, and the totally you got the value 8 which is written on the right hand side of the equal to symbol. Okay, this is an example for an linear equation. On getting the value x, that a method how we are going to get the value for x is called the solving linear equation. Right, let us substitute 4 in the place of x. If you substitute 4, we got 4 plus 5 equal to 9, but which is not equal to 8. Therefore, 4 is not a root or solution of the equation. If you substitute 3 in the place of x, then we got 3 plus 5 equal to 8, which is satisfied the equation. Okay, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, which is on the right hand side. 8 is a value on the right hand side. On substituting 3, we got 8. Therefore, 3 is the root or solution of the equation. X equal to 3 is a solution of the equation or root of the equation. Okay, clear? Use the method trial and error to solve the given equations. First sum is 5 minus x equal to 7. Before going to the sum, you must know what is trial and error method. In this method, various values are substituted for the variable. The left hand side and right hand side of the equations are evaluated separately. The specific value for which the LHS and RHS are equal is the solution of the given equation. Okay, we will substitute and find the values separately for left hand side and right hand side. For a particular value, when we get the equations equal, that is called the solution of the equation. Okay, let us find the solution now. This is the linear equation. 5 minus x equal to 7 is given. Okay, the first column will be value for the variable. What is the variable in the question? X. Okay, then the second, left hand side, which is shortly written as LHS. What is the LHS in the given linear equation? The terms which are to the left of equal to symbol is LHS. So there is 5 minus x. RHS. What are the terms to the right of equal to symbol? There is only one term, that is 7 given. Okay. The final column will be the conclusion. We have to decide whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay. Now let us find. Let us substitute 2 for the variable x. On substituting, LHS will become 5 minus 2 equal to 3. We got 3 on LHS, but RHS there is a constant 7. There is no more variable, so the 7 as it is we have written. Now the conclusion. 3 is not equal to 7, right? So 2 is not the root of the equation or solution of the equation. Therefore, I have written it as false. Next, let us substitute 1 in the place of x. On substituting, we get for LHS 5 minus 1 equal to 4. On RHS, we have 7. 4 is not equal to 7. So 1 is also is not the root or solution of the given linear equation. Therefore, I have written false. Now let us substitute 0. 5 minus 0 equal to 5 on LHS. In RHS we have 7 and it is not also equal. Therefore false. Let us substitute minus 1. Here for LHS, 5 minus of minus 1 equal to 5 plus 1 equal to 6. RHS we have 7. 6 is also not equal to 7. False. Next, minus 2. Let us substitute the place of x, and substituting we get LHS. 5 minus of minus 2 equal to 5 plus 2 gets 7. RHS also 7. Therefore, 7 is equal to 7. Minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. We can call the solution our root of the equation. Okay. Here what we got? X equal to minus 2 is the root of the equation. When the LHS and RHS are equal, the particular value which we substituted for x is the solution or root of the equation. Okay, got it? Let us see another sum. Second sum is 2x plus 3 equal to x. Let us find the solution using trial and error method. The first column is value for the variable. Variable here is x. LHS, what is LHS? 2x plus 3. What is RHS? X in the given equation. Finally, conclusion. We have to verify whether LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now, let us substitute 2 in the place of x. Now, LHS becomes 2 into 2 plus 3. We get 4 plus 3 equal to 7. But what is in the RHS? Only x. Only one term. X. So, the value is 2. 7 is not equal to 2. So, 2 is not the root of the given equation. Let us substitute 1. 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5, and RHS is 1. 5 is not equal to 1. Let us substitute 0. 2 into 0 plus 3 equal to 0 plus 3 equal to 3. RHS is 0. 3 is not equal to 0. Let us substitute minus 1 in the place of x. 2 into minus 1 plus 3 equal to minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1. RHS is minus 1. They are also not equal. Let us substitute minus 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 3 equal to minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1 on the LHS side. RHS is minus 2. Minus 1 is not equal to minus 2. Now let us substitute minus 3. 2 into minus 3 plus 3 equal to minus 6 plus 3 equal to minus 3. On RHS also minus 3. So we got minus 3 equal to minus 3. Therefore, minus 3 is the solution or root of the equation. We got the solution, which is x equal to minus 3. Use the simultaneous operations on RHS and LHS to solve the given equations. Here, the simultaneous operations is compared to weighting scale or balancing function. Okay. Here, some rules to be followed. The basic rules for solving equation are: when the same value is added to both the sides, the equation remains unchanged. When the same value is subtracted from both the sides, the equation remains unchanged. When both the sides are multiplied or divided by the same value, the equation remains unchanged. In order to solve the equation using simultaneous operation, note the operation in the given equation and carry out the appropriate inverse operation to isolate the variable. We have to carry out the inverse operation of the given number to isolate the variable. The value obtained on the other side of the equality sign is the solution of the equation. Okay, you may understand while doing the sum. Okay, let us do the first sum. 5x equal to minus 10. Solution for the sum is, what is on the LHS side and RHS side? 5x is on the LHS and minus 10 is on the RHS. Now, according to the rule, we have to isolate the variable. What is the variable given here? Is x. We have to isolate means no number should be with the variable x. Only x should be on one side and the number should be on the other side. Here, what is the variable? X. What is the number near the variable? 5, which is in multiplication operation. The rule, what the rule told there? We have to use the inverse operation. Okay. Now 5 is in multiplication with x. To remove 5, we have to divide by 5 on both sides. Okay. On dividing by 5, we get, now 5 on LHS get cancelled. Here by cancelling 5, 10, we get 2. Okay. Now what are the remaining? X equal to minus 2 is the remaining. Now x is isolated, the variable isolated, only number is on the RHS side and variable is on the LHS side. So this is the solution of the equation. X equal to minus 2 is the solution of the equation. Let us do another sum. 14 equal to 27 minus x. Solution for the sum, first of all write LHS and RHS. What is LHS? 14 and RHS is 27 minus x. You have to write by leaving space like this. Now, x variable should be isolated. Okay. So, what is the number near x? 27. Okay. What is the inverse operation should be carried out to remove 27? Here number is in positive sign. If you add minus 27, 27 can be removed, right? Therefore, you have to add minus 27 on both the sides. We should not add one side, or we should not carry out any operation or any addition or subtraction to one side only. It will not be balanced. So whatever number added or subtracted, we have to add on both sides. So now LHS 14 minus 27 on RHS 27 minus 27 minus x. Now on subtracting 14 minus 27, we get minus 13. On RHS, 27 get cancelled, minus x is there. Now both the sides have values in negative sign. So negative sign get cancelled. Therefore, the remaining is 13 equal to x, which can also be written as x equal to 13, which is the solution of the equation. Find the solution for the equations. First sum is 4x plus 5.6x equal to 16. Let us find the solution for the sum. Okay. Now let us separate LHS and RHS. What is in the LHS? 4x plus 5.6x on RHS 16. There are two terms in LHS which are like terms. That's why we are adding the like terms, and adding we get 9.6x equal to 16. Now we have to isolate x. The 9.6 is in multiplication operation with the x. How to remove it? It can be removed by dividing, as we have seen in the previous sum. So 9.6 will be divided on both the sides. Now on LHS 9.6 get cancelled. X is the remaining. On RHS, how to cancel it? If a number is divided by a decimal number, we have to multiply by 10 by 10. On multiplying, we get 160 by 96. Okay. On dividing both the numerator and denominator by the common factor, we get 10 by 6. On dividing again by 2, we get 5 by 3. So 1, 2 by 3 is the solution. X equal to 1, 2 by 3 is the root of the equation. How you got 1, 2 by 3? Here on dividing 5 by 3, we call this mixed fraction. Okay, let us move on to the next sum. 3 into x minus 12 equal to 8. Let us find the solution. LHS and RHS. What are LHS and RHS? 3 into x minus 12 equal to 8 is LHS and RHS. Now dividing by 3 on both sides. 3 get cancelled on LHS and the remaining is x minus 12 equal to 8 by 3. Now how to remove minus 12? It is a negative or subtraction symbol. Now we have to add 12 on both sides, and adding 12 get cancelled on LHS, so x is the remaining, and on taking LCM we get 8 plus 36 by 3 equal to 44 by 3. On dividing 44 by 3, we get x equal to 14 2 by 3, which is the solution of the equation. Solve the given equation by trial and error method, which I have taught you already. The question is 7x plus 2 equal to minus 33 for 5 comma minus 5 comma 7. Okay, let us find the solution. The question is 7x plus 2 equal to minus 33. The first column is value for the variable x. Second is LHS. What is LHS? 7x plus 2. RHS is minus 33. Final column is conclusion. Okay. Now, let us substitute the given values for the variable. Okay. First we take 5, x equal to 5. On substituting x equal to 5 in LHS, we get 37. We have to multiply with 7 and add 2. On doing so, we get 37 on LHS. Here on RHS, it is minus 33. 37 is not equal to minus 33. Let us substitute minus 5. 7 into minus 5 plus 2, we get minus 35 plus 2, which is equal to minus 33 on LHS. On RHS also minus 33. Okay. It's true for this value. Minus 33 is equal to minus 33. Let us substitute another given value also. X equal to 7. 7 into 7 plus 2. Therefore, 49 plus 2 we get 51 on LHS. But on RHS it is minus 33. 51 is not equal to minus 33. So, which will be the root of the equation? X equal to minus 5 is the solution or root of the given equation. Students, I hope you all understood. Thank you.